This table and graph is tracking where our website is ranked in Google search. Setup time 5 minutes. This script runs on Python and uses Google to search for phrases. We want to know where our website ranks for these search phrases: Google SERP API, Google Maps, Scraper API, Zillow API. For each of these search phrases, it's going to go through every page on Google. So for example, it's going to use Google to search up Google SERP API, and it's going to track the first page, the second page, and the third page, and so on. And it's going to track where our website is positioned among these search results. Is it on first position? Is it on second position? And so on. It's going to repeat the same process for each of these search phrases, and it's going to look for our website. After it finds the website, it's going to save this information for each search query. So the first one has rank 25, for example, is going to save the time, the second one 36, the third one 41. Now, why are we saving the time? So we can graph it and see how our rank changes every day. So on Monday is this rank, Tuesday is this rank, Wednesday is this rank, and so on. Also, the script outputs an Excel table, so you can just use that if you're more comfortable with Excel. Now, this whole process is going to repeat every 4 hours. You can change this to 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 days, 5 days, whatever you like. The full code that I'm using is on GitHub, link in the description. The script is going to read from these two files in the settings folder. We have target domain and we have search queries. These are basic text files. You can change them very easily. Target domain is the domain we want to track. Currently, it only supports one domain. It's going to read the first line, and that's the domain it's going to track. The search queries file can support any number of phrases. Here, you're going to put the phrases that you want to track, and you should change these to the ones that make sense for your website. To run this script, you're going to install these packages. The easiest way to do that is pip install /r requirements and then hit enter. Before you can run the script, you need one last thing. Python doesn't have direct access to Google, and there's two ways to get around that. The first method is by using Selenium. I don't really like this method because it's fairly expensive and it takes a lot of time to set up. You have to pay for anti-bot bypass and you have to pay for proxies so you don't get banned. It's going to take a lot of effort and it's just not worth your time. A cheaper and faster way to do this is by using our API. You don't really have to write any code and you don't have to set up anti-bot bypass and proxy bypass. And because we buy these services in bulk, you actually end up getting a better price than building your own. Go to the website, link in the description, then you're going to sign in. Then go to API keys, hover the default key, then click to copy. Then paste it in a .env file. And now you're ready to run the script. This is the file that is going to run the script, main.py. At the bottom, you can change how often you want to run the script. Right now, I've set it to 4 hours and it's going to repeat the same script every 4 hours. You can run it in the CLI or you can just press it over here. So every 4 hours is going to save the report on this output folder. We basically get the raw JSON, the graph image, and the Excel file. And this is basically how the report is going to look like. So for each search phrase, you're going to get the rank and the rank delta. On the day one, obviously there's no changes. On the second day, you can see that it improves the position by 3, so it's going to appear it over here. On the third day, you can see improved by 1. On the fourth day, you can see improved by 4, and so on. And basically, this is an example that shows you how the graph is going to change over time. At the top, we have rank 1. This is the ideal rank we want to reach. And each unique color will represent a unique search phrase. Now, you can just leave this script running forever, and every time it's going to update the results. And that's it, the video's over. This whole process will take you less than 10 minutes. I'm going to spend the rest of the video explaining how the script works, in case you want to change anything. So we start with the main.py file. So it's going to read the domain and the search phrases from the file I showed you before. It's going to save the time right now in this format: year, month, day, hour, minute, second. And for each search phrase, it's going to go to Google and find the rank of the domain you specified. After it's done, it's going to save the information in JSON, in graph, and Excel. In the API.py, this is the function that is going to call the API. And this function will go through all the pages until it finds your domain. And I put a max page search at 200. So if it looks for 200 pages and doesn't find anything, it's just going to give up and return nothing. Now for the visualizations, I have these two functions: make a graph and make an Excel report. I didn't write these functions, AI did. If you want to change them, you can ask AI to do that for you and it will save you a bunch of time. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I read and answer all comments. Hit subscribe, then YouTube will show more videos from us to help you grow your business. Thank you for watching. Take care.